Happy Saturday, everyone. Minty Betts here with Howard Barish of Gaming Today. How are you, Howard?
Hey, Minty. Mighty fine Saturday. A lot of sports.
Lots of sports, but you have something for us from at Gulfstream. What do you have for us?
Yeah, there's two nice stake races today at Gulfstream. I'll opt for the one on the grass, which is the ninth, $100,000, mile and 3/16. I was really torn to pick a top choice here between the two, and I went with number 3, Court Return. This one was chosen based on experience and success at the longer distances in some of those really nice graded stake races up in Canada. Trainer Josie Carroll's really good. So that's a top choice. The second choice, who could be used in the top spot, but it was just a coin toss at this point, was number 9, Great Island. This horse has 3 or 4 races, but gets better with each one, and her pedigree suggests that she's going to love the longer distance. She has a relative called Point of Entry that won $3 million in many of the races at longer distances on grass. Third choice, number 8, Always Shopping, could be called Mrs. Barish, actually cuts back in distance and should be tough with jockey Arad Ortiz. So win place 3, Court Return, Exacta Box, 3, 8, 9, Court Return, Always Shopping, Great Island. And then in the trifecta, we'll use 2, Traipsing. This horse is going to set the pace and try to go out there and run everybody off their feet. Just don't know if she can do it. So the try box will be 2, 3, 8, 9. That's the Gulfstream 9th race today. Let's get them.
Let's get them. Good luck, Howard. Guys, check out those picks at gamingtoday.com or at Gaming Today News on Twitter and Instagram. Good luck, Howard.
Thanks, Mint.